So this product has a 9x to the fourth, which is reasonably nice, and this part, which is a little bit yucky, but let's clean it up. This is y equals x to the third power second root, so the 5x to the 3 over 2 is that first term, and then we have 9x to the fourth. It's a product, so we can do the derivative as first 5x to the 3 over 2 d second, which would be 4 times 9 is 36x cubed, plus second d first. And this derivative is 3 over 2 times 5 is 15 over 2 x to the 1 half. Multiply by the power 3 over 2, then the power goes down by 1. And if we combine these, or multiply these together, we get 180 x to the 3 plus 1.5 is 4.5, which is 9 over 2. And here, 9 times 15 over 2 is 135 over 2. X to the, what, 4 plus 4.5 again, also known as 9 over 2. Once again, these powers match. That's happening a lot. And so we get 360 over 2, x to the 9 over 2. I'm just getting a common denominator for the moment. The addition will happen next. 360 plus 135 is 495 over 2, x to the 9 over 2, the end. Now, how about this next thing? We have 7 minus x squared, fine, and, oops, 7 minus x squared, and root x, which I will write as x to the 1 half. So, first d second plus second d first. The first part is 7 minus x squared. The derivative of the second part is 1 half x to the minus 1 half. So that's first d second plus second. And the derivative of the first part, the 7 has a derivative of 0, so ignore that. And here we get minus 2x to the 1. If we multiply these out, let's see what happens. We get 1 half times 7, x to the minus 1 half, minus 1 half, x to the 2 plus negative 1 half is 3 over 2. And then we get minus 2x to the, this is x to the 1 plus another 1 half, so x to the 3 over 2 again. This term will have to stand alone because there are no terms that are like with it, but these two we can combine. They're both x to the 3 over 2. So finished answer, 7 over 2, x to the minus 1 half, and then minus 5 over 2, x to the 3 over 2.